Hi, welcome back. I'm Tiffany, and you're listening to Reset Sessions with Tiffany. I'm so happy you're here with me again as we step into a brand new week together. Today's session is all about launching into this new week with clarity, intention, and that quiet confidence that comes from being fully prepared for whatever's ahead. So let's dive in and create some magic together. Find your way into a comfortable position, whether you're seated or standing. Allow your spine to lengthen, drawing yourself upward in this moment of new beginning. Close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to truly arrive here, standing at the threshold of a fresh week, ready to step forward with purpose. I want you to begin taking 3 intentional breaths. Breaths that mark the transition from weekend to weekday, from rest to action, from what was to what's about to unfold. Inhale, welcoming the possibilities this week holds. Exhale, releasing any lingering mental clutter from the weekend. With each breath, you're creating space for new opportunities, new connections, new ways of showing up in your life and your work. Now bring your attention to this week that stretches ahead of you, like a blank canvas waiting for your unique brushstrokes. These next 7 days are yours to shape. Think about what you want this week to feel like, not just what you want to accomplish, but how you want to move through it. Maybe you want to feel more present in your conversations, maybe more decisive in your choices, maybe more open to unexpected opportunities. Now, as you consider this, notice that beneath any anticipation or planning, there's a steady part of you that's simply ready to engage, ready to contribute, ready to learn and grow through whatever experiences await. Place one hand on your heart. This is your center of intention, your compass for the week ahead. I want you to feel the steady rhythm there. Reliable, consistent, a reminder that you have everything you need to navigate the days to come. From this centered place, let yourself get curious about this week. What if, instead of bracing for challenges, you approached them as puzzles to solve? What if, instead of hoping things go smoothly, you trusted your ability to handle whatever texture this week takes on? You're not someone who needs this week to be perfect. You're someone who makes this week meaningful, simply by showing up as yourself, prepared, present, and genuinely engaged with whatever comes your way. Now let's take a gentle journey through the week that's waiting for you. Starting with tomorrow, Tuesday. See yourself waking up with purpose, stepping into the day with clarity about what matters most. Watch yourself moving through Tuesday's activities, meetings, conversations, tasks, not rushed or stressed, but with a sense of flow and intention. You're present for each moment instead of constantly thinking 3 steps ahead. Notice how this presence affects everything around you. Your conversations feel more meaningful. Your decisions come from clarity rather than pressure. You're not just getting through Tuesday. You're fully engaged with it. Now let the week expand before you. See yourself Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, each day offering its own rhythm, its own opportunities to contribute something valuable to the world around you. Maybe there's a project you've been putting off that finally gets your attention. Maybe there's a conversation you've been avoiding that happens naturally. Maybe there's a moment of unexpected joy that you're fully present to receive. Watch yourself navigating the inevitable surprises, the schedule changes, the unexpected requests, the moments that don't go according to plan. Instead of resistance, you meet these moments with curiosity and adaptability. You remember that flexibility is a form of strength. Now, see yourself at the end of the week, looking back not with exhaustion, but with satisfaction. Not because everything went perfectly, but because you showed up authentically for whatever came your way. You were present, you were engaged, you were yourself, and that was exactly enough. Begin to bring awareness back to this Monday moment, carrying with you this sense of readiness and intention for the week ahead. Place both hands on your heart, feeling the warmth and steadiness there. This is your anchor point. No matter how busy or unpredictable this week becomes, you can always return to this centered, present feeling. Now take a moment to set one simple intention for this week. Not a long list of goals, but one way you want to show up. Maybe it's, I choose presence over productivity, or I trust my timing, or simply, I stay open to what wants to emerge. Whatever your intention is, let it settle into your heart, your body, your breath. This is your guiding principle for the week. Simple, clear, and completely doable. Now take one final deep breath, breathing in readiness, breathing out any last bits of weekend fog or Monday resistance. Now start to bring back that awareness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and step into this week. Not as someone hoping it goes well, but as someone who's ready to make it meaningful, one present moment at a time. Your week begins now. Go make it yours. Happy Monday.